G'day Wellham fam, welcome back to our channel. I'm Debbie.
I'm Darren.
And it's Build Appliance Day today.
Ooh.
So this is the second of the home appliances.
Well done. The first one was a TV.
That's right. And it turned out beautifully, it really did. So I'm just going to open up this so you can actually get to it. And have a look at what we've got here. Whoopsie.
Hey.
Right. So we have got the Destructions.
Yep. Which
is fine. Now I do sort, but I'm not going to have a separate time.
There is immense amounts of them, so it's only really taking them out of the bags and laying them out. Really,
I'll lay them out on my puzzle trays and so on.
Yeah. And
do as needed. So these are their mini bricks.
And they're Loz.
And it is Loz, yes. Which just goes to show, really, Loz do have two different types of sizes. So we've got a nice selection of sticky stickers.
Sticker.
Quite hearty ones. Right, so we have got 4. 1,
3,
2,
and 3. Is there plainly only 4 bags there?
3. Not
if it would be 5, it would have been a problem.
Yeah. It's not a huge amount. It won't take me all that long, but I'm reluctant to start a more in-depth build because I've got something in the pipeline that I want to do, but I'm waiting for things to arrive that I need to do it. So watch out for something exciting and up and coming. But yeah, so let's get building. So I did sort first, which
For
was
1 hour 46 minutes.
and then I finished the build in
3 hours 11. For a total time of 4 hours 57 minutes.
It's quite a quickie, but it was quite fun.
It was as long as I thought it was.
I did get quite irritable, but that was mostly because I'm really tired at the moment.
You kept losing bits.
Only irritable with myself, guys, but it's just that it just irritates me. I irritate me. Right, so we got some spare stickers.
A lot of spare stickers.
No, the numbers in the middle make it, and these numbers down there make it look like more, but yeah, there's quite a few there. Got a lot of spares.
That's not bad, yeah.
And there are also more spares that I have dropped. So, yeah. Hence why I was getting frustrated with myself. My nails haven't been breaking lately, and the problem is they're a bit long. And good grief, do I know it with the little mini builds. Right, so enough about me.
Yep.
Let's have a reveal.
He is very wicked.
He is very cute. Right, so first of all, I'll draw your attention. You've got a couple of shirts in here that are ready to go in the wash. Right, so let's talk about our little chap here, Willie the washing machine. So we got a couple of bottles of some sort of fabric conditioner, I'm guessing. I'd say that's more likely to be washing stuff.
Yeah.
A couple of little pump bits up here. Maybe they've got like stain remover. Who knows? A very tiny basket. There's some folded up shirts on top. And he's holding a wet shirt, which presumably...
He's dropping, you can see the water on the bottom.
That's right. Now, I will also point out... Whoops. You've got the soap suds and water bits, and that's your teddy bear you're washing.
Alright.
So I'll just pop him back in there. Whoops. And then put that back on there. And yeah, you've got a really cutesy little teddy bear being washed at the moment. So close that up again.
Yeah.
Now, if you come round here, I love this.
Yeah,
it does show it as curling like that, but I can't get it to. It springs back. But yeah, I quite like the leak in the hose.
Yeah.
You know. Also, you've got some little sticker bits and so on.
Yeah.
Turn it round. But yeah, say... there's the stickers around this. But yeah, I've got to say, I am absolutely loving these appliance ones. These are Loz building bricks again, in case you didn't remember. But yeah, they're just... It is super cute. I love the amount of detail that goes into them. And in fairness, it's not the biggest project in the world, but they're quick, they're easy, and they're fun, which is the main thing. But yeah, so this is the second one of the series. The first one of the home appliance series was the television.
Yeah.
This is the washing machine one, obviously. They don't necessarily come in that order. It's just
that's just the order we picked them up.
We're pulling them out in.
Yeah.
There's 6 altogether, so we'll be doing the other 4, which I have got. There's different bits. So guys, until next time, as always, be different, a very merry unhoo-hoo, and Willie Boop.